What's good, chat? What's good, chat? Don't ask any questions. Chat. We're back. If you saw in the previous video, that was like 2 days ago. But it's raining today in Umdad. But we're going outside to work. We're taking off some axle today. And most probably putting in the ball joints. You all know the ball joints. What's this thing called, man? What's my obsession with the ball joints? Those, the wheel bearings. So yeah, let's get there. So I think this is what we'll be taking off today. Specifically this. And then we have to... there's this piece of thing that messed up the whole entire view. And yeah, so we're gonna take this off. But as you can see, the rubber is not looking too wealthy on the side of the world. But I think that's what we're taking off today. And then also the thread on this messed up. We'll see what goes on. So we're taking these two balls off. The CV joint, and then this is going with my dad tomorrow. So gents, took these off both sides. Chat, this is what we did today. There's all the balls. We're gonna take off the lower control arm later. The wheels. As you can see, same side, everything gone. Putting the wheel bearings, my father's gonna do them. He's gonna press them tomorrow. This is the condition of the brake pads. So yeah, gents, chat. See you all in the next one. Chat. It's the next morning. It's flippin' cold, bro. Damn, it's like 11 degrees outside. Oh. It's cold. Ooh. Let's do it like drink. Thank you. Ooh, it's freezing. Yeah, James, and ladies. If there's any ladies watching. Oh, it's cold outside. Like when you walked on my life. Okay, so it's like 7:30 right now. I'm putting on the grasshoppers, you know. Wearing the same uniform as yesterday. No difference. Wearing the same uniform. The difference is there's something that came from. Let me show you. So we don't just got. Oh, it's cold. Chat. It's cold. So we don't just have one lower controller, but we've got two lower control arms. So I'm gonna try put them on since I don't know what I'm doing. So let's get to the car. We just arrived to the car. You can see there's a crowbar on the floor. There's a pole. Bro, this was a struggle to take out yesterday. But anyways, so before we can actually fix this lower controller, we have to take it out. And let's just say I took off the lower controller arm wrong the last time. So I first have to put that on back, take this one out. But anyways, we're gonna take this one out now. Just have to move the CV joint a little bit to the side. We're gonna take off the, the usual. And then as soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna put them together. Now chat, I'm gonna leave it for the day. It's way too cold to do this. But at least successfully took off the control arm. Fitted the one, makes it, let me show you. This is the brand new controller. This is for, I think, the side. So my father said I must leave it. Then he's gonna do it we're gonna do it together tomorrow when it's a little bit hotter. But yeah, this is the one from the right hand side. This is the right controller. This is the left. Look at the shape, bro. So I connected that, but yeah, I'm not gonna do anything further because my father said I should just leave it for now. So that's it for today. And then I did, as you can see, I took it off the side. There's that piece there, everything. So I'm just gonna put the lower control arms right underneath the car there, so they stay in good condition, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's good, chat. It's another beautiful day in Africa. So this cold is today. Covered here. Yeah, chat, So the question is, what is on for the agenda today, So we're outside. But firstly, Need to assemble. This one is about to crack, by the way, so that right now. But yeah, chat. Let's assemble the low control arms, and then we have to go to Gold Wagon to buy the ball joints. And my father already pressed what you call it, the wheel bearings. So let's get it on. So chat, this is what we got here. I don't know what these are called. Except the things in the middle, those are bearings, wheel bearings. And then as well, we got the low control arms here. Then I must buy and go to my local spares, you know, Nivian Auto Spares. Guy needs to sponsor me at this point. I'm gonna buy a new tie rod end, this thing here. And then, guys, it's cold. I'm getting sick. Then we got cable ties to, I don't know, hold on. But yeah, then this is the engine. If everyone wanted to see it. Quite dirty right now, you know what I'm saying? So, while I wait for my father to come, I'm gonna connect. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna connect this. Yeah, I done this one yesterday. So, and then also we have a special announcement in this video. You know, not an announcement, but a collaboration. So, put this thing in properly. By the way, this came out like the other day. But yeah, and then hopefully today we can finish it. We got some grease here for the jiggy controls. Yeah. Hey, gents, chat. So basically, we don't have a grease gun, so I'm on my way to our local spares for tie rods, as well as what you call it, a ball joint that does not take a nipple. That's what it's called. I'm not trying to make anything up. So we're getting a ball joint and 2 tie rod ends. Yeah, that's where we're off to now. So let's get that right. Then, you know, we're done with that. Then we're gonna fit everything. Then we're gonna fit everything and make sure everything is right. I hope by today we can finish off the car. Then let me hit the announcement now. So I have a collab today with Inferno, you know. Woo! Fixing golfs for fun nowadays, you know. So she asked for some help, you know. I'm a broski. Yeah, let me see how when I get to. Let me find out when I get every spare from Uncle Nivian, from Nivian's motor spares. I swear this guy should just sponsor our family at this point. Just sponsor our whole family, because we buy all of the parts for the Golf there for every car that we use. But anyways, let me see how when I get to Uncle Nivian. How's it, Uncle Nivian? My father's asking if you can't give me a ball joint without the nipple. He doesn't have a grease gun. Ball joint without, what is this called? Yes. And then as well as 2 tie rod ends, please. So we require the requirements. As you can see, so we're gonna have a nipple, and then we've got the ball joints. So let's go. So yeah, guys, first over voiceover. So yeah, this is the left hand side of the car where we put in the first lower control arm, which wasn't that hard to actually put in. It slipped right in. Then we put some grease inside of the CV joint there, and then we got a new tie rod in that we still have to put on. This is the right hand side, which was a struggle. We had to grind and it didn't want to fit in. Pause. Then we had to sort out some of the bolting issues because my father forgot to turn the rubber around. He was helping me with the side. So yeah, this is how it looked at the end. Thank you. So on my way to Inferno's house, going to... Okay, so I made a plan, but we'll talk when I get there. It's a rough drive there. It's a rough drive. Okay, so anyways, gents, chat, please like and subscribe so the car can get better, you know. Let the content get better. The more you subscribe, the more better the content gets, you know, the content. And the more content we get, the more videos you get, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, gents, in chat, ladies, gentlemen, let's go to the side quest real quick. You can see, gents, we're at Dunlop, Rob's tires, as you can see. Yeah, the bad looking tires somewhere in there. As you can see, oh, look how bad the tire is. Anyways, gents, this is where we are.
And ladies, so fast on the tires, gents and ladies, come on.
Now it's chat, say chat. So chat, I'm gonna see y'all when the tires getting collected type. Can see we completed everything. I didn't record everything because storage is expensive, low-key. So this is everything complete. Yeah, so I just need to put those things back on and I'm done. Hey yo, chat, look who is done with the car. Another from been busy since about like 7 this morning. Chat, we're officially done. Just gonna put the wheel on and go eat. I'm too hungry. So what we fixed was the tie rod, the low control arm. Then we fixed the ball joint. This is the ball joint. And then I must just put the wheel on and then just line this up actually. Put the wheel back on and then yeah, I'll end the video. They say you wake up another day, another dollar. I never want to wake up again. We're completely done right now. I'm just started, let it idle because my baby hasn't started. Yo, look at my face, bro. You know what's serious when you start looking like this? Yeah, no, serious. Let's start the baby up. Okay, let's start the baby up. So yeah, car's officially done. Yeah, gents and ladies, thank you for watching the video. What a hectic day it was. I just wanna take this moment to say, please like and subscribe for more content next time. And as you can see, I hit this part down, but it's equal now, the gap. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.